It gives me great pleasure to open this workshop entitled Incorporating Spatial Analysis and Big Data in International Relations Studies and Conflict Research, which is hosted here in the Hebrew University of Jerusalem within the Faculty of Social Sciences, and the funds were mainly given by the Davis Institute for International Relations, but also by the international conferences support of the Hebrew University. And within this conference, the idea I had was to give an overview with different approaches and different topics and themes of regarding the importance of incorporating spatial analysis into international relations and conflict research. Every action that we do is spatial. It happens in somewhere, and therefore spatial analysis is critical to better understand our world, human activities, and within them, of course, conflicts, and the opposite of conflicts, which is between country collaborations. Within the conference today, we have 4 sessions, which are in these sessions there will be both academics, some NGOs, we have some artists, we have different people from different backgrounds. We have some talks which are global, some which are much local, just specifically to Jerusalem. So it will be very varied, this conference, and just to show many different applications. We will have several, we have coffee breaks and lunch break, and we will end with a round table where I would like to explore and to talk, that we will be able to talk, both all of us, and also to hear the audience. What do they think? How should we? What should the next generations of researchers in international relations and conflict research? What tools should they have? Okay, how should we educate? Okay, the students that are now coming to study these topics. Would like to invite Professor Tamir Shefer, the Dean of the Faculty of Social Sciences, to greet us.
Thank you, Noam. Thank you, the Department of Geography, Environment, and Geoinformatics, and thanks to the Leonard Davis Institute for hosting this conference, and welcome everybody. It's great to have such a conference here with people from, some people from Israel, people from the US, Europe, even Australia. And it's great to have a conference on such topic. This is really the new social sciences I like to see. This is a new social sciences that our faculty is moving in that direction very quickly. Social sciences that involves, that is really interdisciplinary, that combine a study of society, of societal issues, using data science, big data, analyzing new media, using geoinformatics techniques. All that together allows us to deal with the same question that social sciences always dealt with, but now with much better information, much better approaches, and a much better way to answer the question that we are so much interested in. And again, this is the direction that our faculty is moving toward. We just change or moved forward 2 departments in the faculty, the Department of Geography, which now focus much more or move towards the areas of geoinformatics and environment, and the Department of Statistics, which now has been changed to the Department of Data Science and Statistics. And all that with programs like Internet and Society, and with data scientists that are now working in other departments, even the Department of Political Science and Communication, like my group that deals with big data analysis, and try to answer the same question that are that you deal with today. We should have been presented here, but we didn't have enough time for that this time. But this is great, and this is an really interdisciplinary faculty, interdisciplinary gathering here with a lot of international participation, and this is exactly the way we like to see our faculty. So good luck for the conference. It looks really interesting, and I hope you enjoy your time in Israel. It's we consider it a rather cold week. For you, it's probably feel like summer, so enjoy it.
Okay. Okay. Thanks, Tamir. And I would now like to welcome Professor Danny Felsenstein, the head of the Department of Geography. Okay, Danny.
Okay, thank you, and good morning to everybody. I'm pleased to see that spatial analytics is now on the agenda in international relations and conflict research. It's creeped into the agenda of economics and criminology and sociology, so I'm pleased that international relations is joining the club. I need no convincing as to the importance of this, because I personally come from the world of regional science, spatial econometrics, simulation modeling, and so on, and as a result, this is particularly close to my heart. I just echo what Tamir said, and the importance of interdisciplinary approaches to big problems. I'd just like to say one thing about coupling big data with spatial analytics, that big data, in fact, is creating havoc with the way we operate in the world of spatial analytics, because most of our models and inferential statistics, of course, aren't relevant when you come to the world of big data, where you can't separate out the noise from the real event. And as a result, putting these two things together, spatial analytics and big data, to look at conflict is, I think, is particularly challenging. There are all new approaches that are appearing in the literature that basically replace our least squares kind of modeling, linear kind of modeling of approaches, and I don't know whether this will come up today in the conference, but big data creates a major challenge for spatial analytics and the models we've been using up to now, and our ability basically to set up models, test them, and then use inferential statistics to support the testing. So good luck with the program. I'll try and, I have a heavy teaching day today, but I'll try and come in and participate when I can, and I look forward to productive discussions and stimulating exchange. Thank you.